Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Technology Channel World. So guys, this is a small short video. In this short video, we're going to see how to add a subscriber count on our wallpaper without going to YouTube. For doing this, we're going to need an app called Subscribers Count. So this is the app, guys. So let me show you the app's interface. So guys, this is how the app's interface looks like, guys. So now come to your home screen. After coming to your home screen, touch and hold on your home screen, guys. So after holding that, click on the widgets option. So when you could see your option subscribers count. So touch and hold that, guys. Touch and hold it and make it come to your wallpaper. So now it has been on your wallpaper. Now type your channel name. So guys, this is my channel name. So you could see the first option, our channel name. So just click on that. So now you could also extend this, guys, on your size. So after some time the subscribers count will be visible on your screen, guys. So thank you for watching this video, guys.